Hello everyone, how to totes. I'm back with another new video. And in this video I'll introduce app. It's called Hooya video chat and live call application. So it's like a social or dating app. You can find people, partner, friend and your life partner here. Like you can talk them, you can call them, you can video chat with them. So you can see here the rating of the 4.4 out of 5 and 18k reviews, 50 megabyte size of the app, and you can see 5 million plus people already use this app. So many people give the good ratings here. And if you want to learn, then meet your city, so you have to turn on your location, then you'll get them. You can talk to your friend, chat on camera, like on video calls. And if you want to learn more about this app, like what is the main feature, then you can get here, like fun chat, HD video quality, a carefree experience, authentic people, reliable community, and a lot of things here. The app is released 2022. So I will create more video how to use this app in upcoming tutorials. So today's no more.